Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome to the very first episode of our exciting YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey towards becoming successful trainers. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of transformation. Together, we'll empower new trainers to deliver impactful workshops and presentations with confidence and success. Stay tuned for the first episode, where we'll dive into the world of trainer guidelines and set the stage for an incredible learning experience. In this episode, we'll dive into the world of trainer guidelines and explore their importance in conducting successful workshops and presentations. So, let's get started. Trainer guidelines are like roadmaps that help us navigate the vast landscape of training and ensure that we deliver impactful sessions. They provide structure, direction, and best practices for trainers, allowing us to create engaging and effective learning experiences. Now, you might be wondering, why are trainer guidelines so crucial? Well, let me break it down for you. First and foremost, trainer guidelines help us set clear objectives for our workshops. By defining what we want our participants to learn and achieve, we can design our sessions with purpose and intention. Next, these guidelines provide us with practical tips and insights from experts in the field. We'll be sharing their wisdom and actionable advice throughout this series, empowering you to deliver presentations that leave a lasting impact. But it doesn't stop there. Trainer guidelines also help us create engaging and interactive sessions. We'll explore various techniques such as icebreakers, group discussions, and multimedia that will make your workshops come alive and keep your participants actively involved. Now, let's talk about practical examples. Imagine you're conducting a workshop on effective communication skills. Your trainer guidelines might include activities that encourage participants to practice active listening, engage in role plays, or even deliver short presentations. These examples provide hands-on learning experiences that enhance the impact of your training. And let's not forget about the power of reflection and continuous improvement. Trainer guidelines will guide you in evaluating the effectiveness of your workshops and assessing participant learning outcomes. This feedback loop allows you to refine your training methods and grow as a trainer. Throughout this series, we'll be sharing expert insights, practical examples, and actionable tips that you can apply in your own training sessions. Our virtual encyclopedia, the Knowledge Hub, will be at your fingertips, providing you with the latest trends, algorithm updates, and content creation strategies to enhance your skills and make informed decisions. Remember, the path to becoming a successful trainer may have its challenges, but with the right guidelines, knowledge, and a passion for learning, you can create transformative experiences for your participants. So, get ready to embark on this incredible journey of mastering the art of training. Together, we'll explore the world of trainer guidelines, unlock the secrets of impactful workshops, and empower you to become a confident and successful trainer. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we'll dive into the nitty-gritty of setting objectives for your workshops and presentations.